There are a couple of things you can't fake. Staying calm with your finger over buy, sell, and living a life where you call the shots. I got here through the markets. Years of work, discipline, and taking trades I can stand behind. And now I'm starting a public challenge, turning $100 into $10K. Real account, real risks, every single entry and exit right here on the camera. I'm Alexander, a professional trader with over 6 years of experience. I trade with structure, not guesses. No noise, no panic, and it's given me exactly the lifestyle I once dreamed of. Rhythm in my schedule, a clear head, and a confidence in my moves. This isn't just luck, it's method and discipline. And I'm not doing this alone anymore. Around me, there is a community of tens of thousands of traders. People join my live streams, copy my setups, share their results, and break down mistakes together. Every day on Telegram, I post signals, go live, show my trades, and share student case studies. We grow side by side, the real way. Want to stop watching from the sidelines and actually get inside the process? Join the Telegram community, link is in the pinned comment and description. This is educational only, not financial advice, trading carries risk. So let's dive in. First trade, Euro and Swiss franc. The MACD has already crossed upward, the histogram is growing, and the candle is testing the support level. Waiting for confirmation, guys. A green candle appears. I am entering long. Beautiful, the support worked, the MACD was synchronized, a clean signal. Second trade, United States dollar, Canadian dollar, the price is testing resistance and the MACD is preparing for a downward crossover. The histogram is deflating, the candle shows a long upper wick, and I'm going short. The trade, closes, and profit. This is what I love, guys, when the level and the indicator align perfectly. The third trade is Great British Pound and Australian dollar. And the MACD is turning upward, the histogram is still small, but the candle is strong and bullish. I will take the risk and enter. And the trade closes in profit. Excellent. Sometimes the size of the signal isn't what matters most. It's the synchrony of all elements. The fourth trade, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. The price is moving toward resistance. The MACD is rolling down. The histogram goes into negative. That's my confirmation. And I'm entering short. The trade closes in profit. Everything worked just exactly I planned. Exactly according to the same level plus indicator. Australian dollar, United States dollar. The MACD is crossing upward, but the signal is very weak and candles are small, and I decided to give it a try. We unfortunately lost. It happens, and here's an example of rushing. Weak signal equals weak result. It happens. The main thing is to keep moving forward and stick to the system. The next trade is United States dollar, Japanese yen. After a decline, the MACD slowly starts to turn upward. The histogram is growing, candles are turning green, and we entering long. The trade closes in profit. Here everything was calm and confident, and the market itself pointed the way. So the next trade is Euro and Great British Pound. The price is right at resistance. The MACD is pointing down. The histogram is red, and I'm going short. Okay, the trade closes in profit here. A very clear moment, and I love this. Nothing extra, just a clean entry. The eighth trade, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. The MACD crosses upward. Candles are growing energetically. The support is holding, and I'm entering long. And the trade closes in profit. Strong impulse, an easily readable signal. The ninth trade, Euro and USD. Ninth trade, the MACD is rolling downward, candles are weakening near resistance, and I'm waiting for a red candle. Here it is. We go short. The trade closes in profit. This is a good example of discipline. I waited for confirmation and took a clean entry. This is our final trade, Great British Pound and Swiss franc. The price hits support, the MACD is ready to turn upward, and we are waiting for confirmation. Green candle forms here, and we are entering long. An excellent final, calm signal, clear confirmation, trade work exactly as planned. And That's a regular day inside the system. No magic buttons, just structure, patience, and execution. Today's session is part of the $100 to 10K challenge, but honestly, this is how I trade every day. Not every trade is perfect, but every trade has logic. The goal is 10K, but what really matters is the path. Decision after decision, trade after trade, no panic, no guessing. That's how confidence is built. That's how an account grows. If this approach resonates with you, jump into the Telegram community. We trade live, break the market down step by step, and grow together. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real trading. Link in the pinned comment and description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.